I know a lot of people, they keep asking like, what is alternate content? They want to know about what is alternate content. Alternate content is, you are going to see, it say like alternate content, do any of this following describe your content? On the bottom here it say like yes or no. So that is everything. People, they always asking, what is alternate content? Can I say yes? Can I say no? You can say yes and you can say no. Why? Because you are the one who know your content, but I'm going to show you one by one, so you are going to figure which one is right to you to say yes and which one is not to say yes, because you are the one who know about your content. But I'm going to tell you one by one, so you are going to know if your content is for yes or your content is for no. Thank you very much, guys. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like and comment, and don't forget to turn on notification bell for more updated video. When you go to your profile picture, click on your profile picture, go to view your channel. Once you go to view to your channel, straight away you have to go to video manage, because we are going to the video we have uploaded before. It's not for new video. So but if you are just doing for new video, straight away it's going to show you from that, then you can follow from there. But if you have already uploaded that video, you want to change, go to manage your videos. When you go to manage your video, after that my signal go a little bit probably just to go too slow. After that, when you go to manage your video, you come here to this video, you click the video. Once you click to your video, you scroll down here, you keep going and going and going and going and going until you reach here. This is where we are just talking about. This is called alternate content. So if I pronounce so wrong, I'm very sorry, guys. It say alternative content. Do any of this following describe your content? Yes or no, it's up to you, but I'm going to tell you one by one. So on here it says make a really person appear to say or do something that they didn't say or do. Yes on that. Or next one is going to say like entire footage of a really event or a place. Then we are going to the third one. It says generate a realistic looking scenes that didn't actually occur. If it's yes or no between these three. Okay, you are still confused, you don't understand, like, can I say yes, can I say no, can I say what, can I say what? So we are going to the bottom. So more description on here. It says the following type of policy. It says follow the youth, sorry, it says follow, it says to follow YouTube policy, you are required to tell us if your content is already or semantic and seems really. This include realistic sound or visual made with IA or other tools. Selecting yes and adds or label to your content. You didn't still understand. We go in deep. We click here to learn more. We click here to the learn more. So when you came here, you see you start from here. Disclosing uses of alternate or systematic content. We are on here. We say we are encouraging the creator innovative and responsible uses of the content editing or generation tools. At this same time, we are recognize that the viewers want to know if that they are watching or listening to the is real. So to help to keep viewers informed about the content that they are viewing, we are required creator to disclose the content that is meaningful and thorough or systematically generated when seem realistic. The creator must disclose the content that make real person appear to say. Or when you read this, so guys, it's a lot. You can read on this yourself, so I can't read this, so it's so many. But we call here to the bottom here. It says it just as it that's required discovered by the creator. That's required discovered by the creator. Apply for a beauty filter, like anything like filter all this thing. it say like digital generating or altera content to replace the face of one individual with another's, then that is you. Systematical generating or extending backdrop or simulating of movie or car. So on here it says digitally entering ephemeral cars chasing scenes to include celebrity who wasn't in the original films. Or you can go here using effect or enhances previous recorded audio, or simulating. On here it say like simulating audio or making it sound as if a medical professional give advice when the past professional did not actually give that advice. So on this one it says using an AI generated animation of pacing the videos. On here it say like showing realistic depict of the mislight fear. So on this one, when you read all this on here, you see on here it say like on here, go to YouTube Studio. It's going to follow step by step to uploading the content. So you have to say yes or no. You have to change all these things, and it say like it was asking. So here it's little bit I'm trying to highlight, but I can't see it. But what I will do, I will just try to just highlight and show you guys what happened after creator discuss. So on this one, they will say they are going to put and stickers like this. It's going to show like this how this content was made. So you see here alter or systematic content, so it's going to add there. Once you say yes, they are going to add a stick like this. Then it's going to be all your content, any content you just say yes, is going to be like that. So the main thing here, I'm going to go back guys to my video. So when I go to the video, this is the video. So on here I'm going to say no, because why I'm saying that, the voice is mine, face is mine, everything is mine. I'm not using someone's voice, I'm not using someone's face, and it's not event, and it's not like a celebrity. I'm using his things, maybe like, or I use AI tools to create my video. Everything is me, and you see me, I'm here, so I don't need to say anything. I have to say no. Then once I say no on here, once you say no, you have to check everything. Is it everything right? Yes. Or everything's okay? Okay. Nothing. Then on that time you have to go and say done. So once you say done, it means like you change to no. Everything I'm doing here, I'm the owner. Once you know like everything you're doing here, you are the owner. You didn't take someone's video, or you don't use someone's voice. Everything is for you, so you don't need to say yes. You can say yes only one time. When you can say yes is only the time you are using someone's voice, or you are using someone's face, or you are using someone's videos. Then on that time you can say yes. For example, if I want to show you, normally people, they just do reaction video, they use someone's voice. Maybe they sit like this and they just see watching that video and they talk on it. As long as the voice of that person is there and them they add their voice, they have to say yes, because on that time there was some voice, you are not the owner. Other than that, everything is perfect guys. Please guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and like and comment, and don't forget guys, thank you very much guys. See you next video. Bye bye guys.